Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are driving on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. Now, this section of the road is free. You don't have to pay toll between Maypen and Mandeville. And the toll plaza is there, it's just they don't know who to, the highway operator and the government, NROCC, there are negotiations over who is to collect the toll, because the toll in Jamaica, it's $1 billion business, billions of dollars. So they are in negotiations and they can't come to an agreement. So NROCC owns this road. NROCC owns the road. And Trans-Jamaica Highway controls the toll plazas and all the other sections of the east-west leg of Highway 2000. Not all the toll plazas in Jamaica now, just the east-west leg of Highway 2000. So they have the first right of refusal on this section. So NROCC has to negotiate with them because they have the first right to collect toll on the toll plaza. But it's not going well, and I don't think they're going to come to an agreement. But they're still in negotiations. So that's why there's no toll on this road. Now, the reason why I don't think they're going to come to an agreement and somebody else is going to get the right to operate the toll plaza is because this section of the highway was constructed under different terms than the other sections. The government of Jamaica paid to build this road $188 million. I'm not sure what the final costs are. I don't think they have said it, but because you have delays, you have like people stealing the fence, but they paid to build this road. So it's not a case where a foreign company came in and built the road at their expense and then they are given the concession to collect toll and they paid for building back the road. The Jamaican government built this road, paid for it, maybe not cash, but through loans, etc. NROCC controls this road now as of today, and NROCC is not charging toll on the road. But Trans-Jamaica has the right of first refusal on the toll because they signed the contract for the other sections of the highway. In the same way, you have non-competes for these roads. You cannot have a railway. You cannot have, when it was first originally built, you cannot build a competing road, all sorts of bureaucracy. But at the end of the day, it doesn't seem like you cannot you cannot give the concession based on the same terms as the other sections of the highway, because the other sections were built by a foreign company who collected the toll to pay for the building of the road. This section is different. Now, Trans-Jamaica has bought out those other companies, bought them out because this thing makes so much money. So right now, NROCC is much better off just managing the toll plaza themselves. They already own the road, so they have the upper hand. Just collect the toll themselves, or better yet, don't charge any toll. Just let the people use the road for free. Because guess what? When you're leaving from Mandeville to head to Kingston, you have two major toll plazas to go through, the Maypen Toll Plaza and the Vineyards Toll Plaza. Now, because this road is free, a lot more people are using it. Clarendon Park and Porus that are along the old road are like ghost towns. So more people get on the free section of the highway, and guess what? They decide to stay on the highway and go through the toll plaza. So those two toll plazas at Maypen and Vineyards have actually seen an increase in traffic going through it. So they're collecting more toll. So it's a win-win for everybody because NROCC owns 20% of Trans-Jamaica Highway. So when more people use the toll plaza, they collect more money in dividends. Just to give you an example, the last dividend payment that NROCC received was 500 million Jamaican dollars. You can use that dividend payment alone to pay for this road, to pay for all the expansion of the other roads. However, this is still a business, so I think NROCC should just operate the toll plaza. Collect 100% of the toll. You don't have to give nothing to anybody, and use that to continue building out the highways. So guys, let me know what you think. Do you think NROCC should just manage, because they are in control of the road as of today, and they said no toll, so there's no toll on the road. It's just these things in the contract that were signed, I think it was 2006, that are, the non-compete. When the Jamaican government wanted to fix Mandeville Highway, the busiest road in Jamaica, it created such a problem because of those non-competes for the highway. Eventually they were able to do it, but it was not an easy task because a lot of things Parliament had to pass laws, and it's the same thing with the Trans Jamaica has the first right on this toll. See the toll plaza here in front of us? The light is green. However, I must just point out, guys, NROCC, you need to put a sign that says no toll. I've seen people come here and stop at the toll plaza because they don't realize it's free. A simple sign that says no toll, continue. Something. I've seen people stop here. We're going to stop here and see if anybody stops. I've seen people stop at this toll plaza to pay toll, not realizing it's free. A sign would help. And I think NROCC should just manage his toll plaza, collect the toll, and you can make it even cheaper, subsidize it for the people. However, the toll here is not expensive. It's going to be about $500. Very manageable and very reasonable for the road that we have. And they're planning to expand more of the highways. Highways going all the way to Negril and going all the way to Montego Bay. So it's good to charge the toll. $500 is not going to kill anybody, and you get value for the money. But I think NROCC should collect the toll at this toll plaza. There's no reason to give a concession to anybody, but the contract is what the problem is. So guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.